What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I'm back with another video for you guys. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Tonic looking bullish, guys. Could we see the bounce about to happen? I see the chart making some moves to the upside from here. Is this the start of the bull run? There's a lot of unanswered question, guys, but we recently just had some SEC FUD that kind of made the markets drop, but instantly the bulls fought it off, and we started to bounce instantly, right? So I think the SEC FUD attacks are starting to have less effect on the markets, and the bulls are really beating the bears a lot more now, man. So it's only a matter of time until we see that alt season and we see great alts, great fundamental altcoins like Tonic start to break out, guys. Remember, a lot of this is markets, a lot of this is market sentiment, right? Now obviously if the markets are bullish and then the Tonic team also creates some catalyst, that will just add fuel to the fire for already bullish project because of the market, right? But for now, a lot of altcoins, not just Tonic, but a lot of altcoins in general, they're just moving with the markets, even if you have updates and news, right? But there may be, when the market starts to flip, turn around, fully get bullish, we'll see you know, whenever news does drop for projects like Tonic and the market sentiment is bullish, that's when you're gonna see major moves, man. In my opinion, obviously, not a financial advisor. But yeah, Tonic fam, Crow fam, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up if you're watching right now. Let's get it to 100 likes and share it with the rest of the Tonic community, right? Right now, Tonic's sitting at 30.1 million in market cap, 30.1 million in market cap, 75k in 24-hour trade volume. If we take a look at the 1 day, even a 7-day chart, you can see starting to make a move back up from here, man. Starting to make a move back up from here. We saw a huge breakdown in Bitcoin because of the SEC situation, and then all of a sudden we instantly started to get a bounce right back up like nothing happened, man. And yeah, compare Tonic to the Crow chart, it's basically hand in hand, man. On the 7-day and the 1 day, it's more, you know, on point with each other. But yeah, we could see a breakout here, man. We could see a breakout going into next week, because weekends are normally slow, but we could see a breakout in the Crow and Tonic chart going into next week, man. Like I said, on the overall markets, we see Bitcoin and Ethereum, they had a drop because of the SEC announcing that you know, the spot ETFs were inadequate. But then just like that, we started to bounce back up like nothing happened, man. So I think the markets are getting a lot more bullish. Soon we'll see a 2k Ethereum, $2,000 Ethereum, and you can see Tonic on the 7-day starting to make a bounce up from here. I think this is when we're gonna start to flip bullish, man. We'll see what happens. From Sabby Matt, this is Tonic isn't a meme, but it's priced like one if you like competition with, which is on the Ethereum. You should love Tonic, lending, borrowing, and staking. Compound doesn't offer, very useful to the DeFi junkie as myself. Shout out to Sabby. Jamie Tonic, everyone speaking bullish on Tonic. I appreciate you, and I could tell you have a pretty good understanding of the market. Davo, as from now, any bearish comments will be automatically blocked. I'm fed up of seeing them from the same people over and over again. It's just gotten ridiculous, man. I'm telling you, when Tonic starts breaking out, all the bears will just flip bullish. That's how it always is, man. But shout out to Jamie Tonic and Davo. Shout out to all the Tonic fam. Recently, the Tonic team released a video. Collateral swap is here. No more hassle with manual debt repayments and collateral switching. Experience the convenience of streamlining it all into one single transaction with collateral swap. Look at this, man. Let's take a look at the video. So yeah, they just said it's long and tedious for users to use collateral swapping. You need to repay your debt first, redeem me, then supply collateral token B. Introducing collateral swapping. It allows you to switch your collateral in one go, making it faster and easier for risk management. I like the humor here, guys. Nice little video, man. Swapping out your collateral is easy as snapping a finger. Try out now on Tectonic Finance. Ta-da! Great stuff, team. You see that, man? They're still developing, man. Nice. Collateral swap brings you simplified workflow, enhanced control, improved efficiency. The collateral swap is just one of many steps we're taking to expand our leverage management tools. Our goal is to offer you a comprehensive suite of solutions for effectively managing your digital assets. And obviously, you can read more on their Medium page. Very nice stuff, guys. From Stoner, Tonic, showing that love to Tonic, man. Nice little video, nice little video they put together to break it down in a simplified way for people to see, man. Shango, best money market on Chronos. Don't put Tectonic in a box. The app you use today can be in a whole new class next year. I agree. When some of us say bullish, we are not talking about time frame. We are talking about longevity, seeing value long after today. If you can find a project that's slightly relevant for a very long period of time like Bitcoin, there is the potential. The Tonic community and team, they are always there, and that's what I like to see, to be honest. Like, it's not here today, gone tomorrow, like a lot of these other projects. Tonic, all the baseless bearish holders should start their own crypto token, live together and baselessly complain 24/7 about the things they like making a typo on the total supply and getting banned from Telegram chats, trying to flash promote. Some of you all actually complain that Tonic is not your personal pen pal on Twitter, like some of your favorite projects that don't live longer than a mosquito. On point with this one, Shango. Also, mobile experience on the Tonic app is working without hiccups the last 2 days. Speak up if this was a problem. That is now rectified. Collateral swap is here. Collateral swap is just one of the many steps Tonic is taking to expand the leverage management tools. Tonic goal is to offer a comprehensive suite of solutions for effectively managing your digital assets. And that is bullish, man. Shout out to Shango for the little read right here. Couldn't say it better myself. From Sebastian McDonald, if you like leveraging, this is it streamlined. Tonic making leveraging simple for, the average user. The Wizard.Crow, dry powder deploy DCA Crow Trinity playbook. Stake Crow, then lock up VVS or Tonic for future. Step 2, harvest rewards, supply rewards main pool on Tectonic Fi, collect passive income, repeat. One more tweet from Shango. Will you spend more time on Tectonic Fi app Q2 2023? Once the roadmap is complete, Chronos is making DeFi crypto very, very simple. And speaking of VVS, the latest Tectonic update, collateral swap, is facilitated by VVS. The collaborative effort across Chronos ecosystem is impressive. Excited for the continued rollout of money management tools at Tectonic this year, and looking forward to passive income utilities in totally new asset classes to be embraced by Tectonic Fi money market in good time. I mostly all things blockchains can handle. So yeah, guys, they just released their collateral swap for Tonic. Again, the team keeps updating, keeps building out protocols. As you guys can see, after all this time, I'm still here, Tonic fam. I know a few other influencers have probably moved on past Tonic, right? But I'm still here, still here, hoping for the success of this project. I really think it's gonna crush it because of its Chronos connections. That's what I'm really bullish on, the Chronos connections, right? And again, Crow, in my opinion, is gonna be one of the biggest companies or brands in crypto, right? It will be, in my opinion, right? So yeah, future for me for the project looks bright, and I'll stand on that, right? From Whale Chart, $4.2 trillion Fidelity names Coinbase as SSA counterpart in an updated spot Bitcoin ETF filing. we could see from Eric Ball, Tunas, Fidelity, Wisdom Tree, Vanek, Invesco have all filed their spot Bitcoin ETF applications, naming Coinbase as the exchange. Nothing from BlackRock or ARK as yet. So this is the thing, right? The SEC put out a statement saying the ETFs were inadequate, like I covered earlier, and instantly we already got all of the top institutional banking companies reapplying for their ETFs like nothing happened. And we're right back to being bullish, and finally we are seeing more bullish momentum in Tonic. I hope this momentum continues, right? There's no telling, but I'm hoping this is where the bottom one is at, and now we're gonna start an uptrend from here. So we'll see how that plays out. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description. Join the Patreon to support the channel. First link in the description, guys. Any tier you sign up for, I'd appreciate it, and I'll give you guys exclusive info like altcoins that I'm bullish on aside from Tonic. Only on the Patreon, right? Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.